really breathable, which is a big thing in the underwear, especially if you're in the Midwest like I am. We're going to be reaching temperatures of around 100 degrees here soon, so don't want to be wearing your 100% cotton underwear, and then when you get up from sitting down, you leave your nice little puddle of butt sweat there. Like, that ain't good. We don't want to do that. So what's going on, everybody? I'm Jeff Robe, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, how you doing? Today, I got another underwear company that I'm working with. Today, it's going to be David ARCHY. Sent me a little package over here with some 3-bangers in them. I think it's all different colors. Maybe, some cotton, some bamboo, some silk, some polyester. I'm not quite sure, but we're going to break into it. But before we get into that, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you're over in the Discord, because if you're not in the Discord, you're really missing out on about 99% of what I do here, because the Google overlords do not really like me helping you be a bad consumer and saving money, especially in the times of an economic recession or depression or whatever the hell they want to call it. But I think it's pretty safe to say that a lot of us have been penny pinching a lot harder than maybe we were back in 2021, 2022. So if I can help you save some money to get the products that you want, that these department stores are charging out the wazoo for, then that's my goal. That's why I make these videos. I'm also going to start doing some members only content. So if you've noticed, I do have a Patreon. The Patreon is 100% free now. So if you miss all the old Jeff Robe videos from at the old house, or just the older stuff, want to go watch me unbox a bunch of shoes, then you can go over to the Patreon and check that out. There you can subscribe and be a member, but then I'm mainly just going to transfer everything to YouTube. That way, if you are a member, you'll have access to all of that stuff, and it'll be a beautiful, wonderful time. So yeah, sent me the box, or the package, I guess it is. It came in this little black package. From the time that I put the order in, I think I got them in about 5 days. They are an American-based company, so you're gonna get them super, super quick. But let's see what we got here. I guess I'm gonna have to model these. So, I've been walking around the neighborhood, no shirt, getting my tan on, taking the dog with me. It's a good time. For the longest time, I really didn't like doing that. But then, I hit a point, it's like, dude, I'm trying, no one likes a farmer's tan, right? You gotta get that tan even. So, and what's the point in being jacked if you're not tan, right? So you gotta bring it all full circle. But here it is right here. This little baby package, David ARCHY, right there on the bottom. I got a size medium, and I believe that was like 32 to 34, which is what I wear. So I'm curious to see how these are gonna fit. Let's see if there's anything else on here before I crack them open. Looks like I got a black, a navy blue, and a dark gray pair. And then it has this little sticker that says tinsel. Feels so right. So very cool. Let's bust this bad boy open. I did take a little hiatus. I posted a video, the other day. I had filmed that one quite a while ago. Shout out SN Kick. They're always great. But, I don't know. It's like, you kind of go through stints where you want to, damn, these are soft. You want to go through, or you're going to go through stints where you want to pump a bunch of content, but really, YouTube isn't quite what it was a few years ago. And it may be just be due to the double the amount of creators, if not quadruple the amount of creators. But I don't know, dude, everything's just so sensitive. Everyone is afraid to do this or do that, or everyone's always calling out each other. And it's like, what happened to the funny content? And I want to watch people have a good time. And it's a lot of that's just kind of gotten bled out. So if you're kind of getting that, that probably means that it's time to go outside. And that's kind of what I've been doing, man. I've just been outside, been golfing, been walking, going to the gym, going out with friends, going to eat at new places. And it's just kind of reassuring that, as bad and doom and gloom as your little black death device tries to make everything seem, it's usually not that bad. And if you're starting to get to that point, like I said, it's probably time. Just go do some exploring, go do some stuff you've never done before. But man, these are beautiful. They're super duper soft. Let's check out the tag, see what these bad boys are made out of. So this is 8% spandex, 100% modal from well-managed forest. 92% micro modal. So I may have to go to the website, and I'll probably put in a little cut or a little snippet when I'm editing. That way we can see it. It is a little bit of a longer boxer brief than I'm used to, but the waistband feels really, really good. The texture of the actual underwear themselves feel really, really good. And I did do a few with like the pouch, but if we flip these inside out, this is just kind of like your standard boxer brief. You're gonna have the little slit in the side, that way if you want to use that, but the waistband feels so good. I mean, if you're a pull down guy, you can be a pull down guy too. Here's the navy pair. Very cool. And I don't know if you're like me, I'm like super OCD, so I can't wear like navy shorts with black underwear. I gotta either do like brown, gray, or navy or tan or whatever. And then if I wear black, then of course you can do black, gray, any color but navy if you're wearing black. But you're probably not as weird as I am, so don't worry about it. But you do get 3 different colors, so if you are like me, then you don't have to fret. I believe these were at a pretty good price point too. I want to say they were under $40, and for the quality of these, man, they're super stretchy. Would be perfect for going to the gym, perfect for going to play golf, doing anything athletic, just because they are so stretchy. I do like the black pair. Black pair is probably my favorite, of course. But man, these things feel really, really good. I wish I could like hand them to you so you could feel just like how soft they are, but they feel super duper silky. Not too much more here to go over. It's just a little triple underwear pack. So pretty much I'm gonna step over here, I'm gonna put them on, we're gonna see how they feel, and then I'm probably gonna cut to like some side shots and we'll see what they look like on. But give me just a second, let me step over here. Haven't quite made the OnlyFans just yet, probably not going to, but I do have people asking. And you know, it's like you can't go wrong getting some free underwear, right? Like, so what's the big gist here? Let's put these bad boys on. Yeah, these do feel really good. Let's bring them into shot here. So they are a little bit longer. I'm about 6 foot, 6'1", but honestly, man, these feel really good. Little side shot here. They do come down about, I mean, almost all the way down my quad, but that is kind of nice depending what you're doing. So sometimes, you know, you need that little tight fitting underwear, wearing some high-end shorts. But like these, like I said, if you're wearing your gym shorts or something, the elastic on the leg is really good. It's not sliding up. I'm bending my leg up and down. They're all staying in place. That's the worst, you know, you don't want any ride-up underwear. But from what I can tell, man, these things feel really good. They're really light, really breathable, which is a big thing in the underwear, especially if you're in the Midwest like I am. We're going to be reaching temperatures of around 100 degrees here soon, so don't want to be wearing your 100% cotton underwear, and then when you get up from sitting down, you know, you leave your nice little puddle of butt sweat there. Like, that ain't good. We don't want to do that. So this kind of saves you from that, keeps everything breathing, keeps everything flowing, feels really, really nice. So shout out to David ARCHY. Gonna be checking out some more of their products, so stick around. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. That way, next time I get some more stuff in from them, I will definitely post a video. But so far so good. And yeah, let's go ahead and cut to a little snapshot real quick, wrap this video up. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys next time when I got some more stuff for you.